Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see y'all. Am I looking in the lens right now? Am I seeing y'all? Okay, it's working. Today we are reviewing a product that I have been crushing on for a few months. I'm not gonna let y'all wait longer. It's the beautiful Jeffree Star Skin Frost highlighter in the shade Ice Cold. I've been crushing on this highlighter for a while now. I'm not gonna front. And I'm so happy to have it. It's so big. But first, let's start with the packaging and where I ordered it from. So okay, I placed an order on the site Beautylish. As y'all know, when we reside in Europe, we don't have access to all the products like y'all have in the United States, like a lot of people in the United States have, or in Korea or in Japan, whatever. So Beautylish or Beauty Bay, they provide us with products from overseas, so that's really nice. So, and without us paying extra costs to send that shit over here. So thank you Beautylish for sending that. But first, a shout out to Beautylish and Jeffree Star for the way it was organized. So I received it in this box, right? And then the wrapping paper surrounding my highlighter, it was wrapped around my highlighter, and it's actually, if y'all can see, it's the tattoos that are inked on Jeffree Star's body, right? Very creative. I love that little detail. To me, details are everything. Details to me are everything. That wrapping paper I want to keep. Then I received a very nice letter. Shout out to Beautylish. They said, "Hi Maati, welcome to Beautylish. Hope you enjoy your new embryolysis and Jeffree Star products and see you again soon." Which is very nice. Shout out to Beautylish for being so organized. The product was well, nothing was broken, everything was beautiful and very well packed, and just shout out to y'all. Y'all did the thing. Okay, so let's jump right ahead in this review because I have been loving this. I am wearing this right now actually. I'm so silly when I love a product like this that I even put it in the same package again. I should just get rid of this, but it's so beautiful. I was like, oh Jesus. Okay, on the back it says, "Vegan, cruelty free, you better glow bitch. Long lasting extreme beauty, the definition of highlight on fleek." It's true. Okay, so I do love that it's vegan and cruelty free. Shout out to Jeffree Star for that. That's very kind and very, you know, it's important. We don't want to test our makeup on animals. I don't think that's good at all, but hey. Then the pan. Okay, look at this. Look at the size of this highlighter. Let me give you a prime little quick example. This is the Elf Baked highlighter, which is very good. I've reviewed this. And this is a Jeffree Star. Just amazing. This retails for $29 or 28 euros and 50 cents on Beauty Bay. It may depend the price on whatever site you're purchasing from, but I'm just telling you what I saw today. The color is gorgeous. It's ice cold. It's beautiful. You get a nice large mirror. You can do your makeup with this mirror. I'm not kidding you. This is a really a XL extra large compact. I'm speechless. I just love it. Let's do a little swatch. Even though I've already applied it on my face, I just want to show y'all. I mean, come on, this color is crazy. It's beautiful. It's and the camera doesn't do it justice, but as y'all can see, I applied the light layer on the higher part of my cheeks, Cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose. I love it. I love this highlight for different reasons. First of all, the packaging is crazy. This is the most beautiful makeup item that I own right now in my collection. Point blank period. Secondly, the product, great quality. It lasts a long time. It's beautiful. I've heard amazing reviews about it. Everybody raves about how long it lasts and how pigmented it is. But what I love about it is that you can layer it. I use this as a soft, little, subtle highlighter, but I know that people sometimes pack. They pack. You can pack this highlighter on your face, and you can blind everywhere. You can blind everyone. You can cause a car accident, really. Like Jeffree Star said once. He once mentioned something like, you can pack this highlighter on and you can cause a car accident. And I was like, oh my God, that must be pigmented. And then I saw some reviews and I was like, okay, I could see that car accident happening. Absolutely. But I just love this product. It will last you years. I know a makeup artist that used this product for about 2 years. And he used it regularly on their clients. So, I mean, I'm so happy. I could rave all day about this, and I also ordered the 24 karat Jeffree Star palette that I'm going to review very soon. So yeah, this is absolutely so approved. I recommend this to everyone. The color Ice Cold looks good on different skin tones. I've seen it. Darker people wear it, deep people, medium people, fair people. I've seen every skin tone with the Ice Cold, and it just looks gorgeous. It's a beautiful, safe, nice, layerable highlighter, and it's absolutely approved. And the pen is just nice. Who doesn't want to have this in their makeup collection? I know I do. So yes, that was my video. I'm working on a backdrop and I'm working on a tripod so we can set things more professionally, and I'm so excited because nobody wants to see this messy attic. I sure don't. So thank you so much for waiting, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please click on the notification bell down below because YouTube has somehow changed its rules and they now want us to click on the notification bell so we can stay updated with the latest videos. So that's that, and my social media is here down below, and see you on the next one.